Hey everybody, Bobby Galfo back here with another cigars education piece. And today we're going to talk about how to smoke a cigar. You don't want to start with something that's too long, too big, too strong. Essentially, you want to go with something that is more of a mellow feel. Sizing wise, I would recommend something in a Robusto range or a Toro range, no larger than that, so you can really pick up all the components of the cigar and not overwhelm yourself. So each cigar has a cap, and you don't want to cut too far down or else that will make this whole cigar unravel. So you really want to just take a tiny bit off the top here, just so you can see the inside. If you want to give it a cold draw, you can go ahead and do that. Make sure that everything's drawing properly. So once you get your cigar cut, you will also need a cigar torch and an ashtray. So to light your cigar, there's many different ways to do it. This is my personal preference and one that I recommend for beginners. Take the torch of the flame. You don't want to hold it too close. You want to hold it right to the edge and kind of just go slowly rotate the cigar around. So you're getting every little bit until you see, those embers start coming off. So once you get your cigar fully lit, you just want to take some, slight drags on it. And again, remember, a big thing is to not inhale. I know, many cigarette smokers are used to inhaling. If you're making that transition, it will really ruin your smoking experience if you inhale. So you just want to take a couple light puffs. You can leave a little bit in your mouth for, to get some tasting notes, things like that, to really see how it feels. And another thing is you want to make sure that your cigar is burning evenly. So you may have to do some slight touch-ups here and there. And when you're touching your cigar up, you really want to light from the inside out. So essentially not to affect the wrapper, because if you light from the outside in, you may burn the wrapper and that'll affect the smoking flavor. So one of the next big things in your first smoking experience is ashing the cigar. So, again, regarding to the cigarette smokers, many tamp their cigarettes out. With cigars, you can just let it rest. Being a natural product, it will go out on its own. And when you are ashing your cigar, you want to make sure to do it gently. So you just want to slightly roll across the ashtray, making sure not to affect the wrapper or anything else. One thing you do not want to do is tamp the cigar out. That is just something that will ruin the smoking experience completely. Again, this is how to smoke a cigar. Thank you for watching this cigar education piece, and until next time.